These exhibitors at this year's Agricultural Society of Kenya show will see a marked difference in the exhibition after the ASK moved to construct an expo center. According to organizers, the move is meant to bring order to the show, with exhibitors now set to pay 200,000 shillings for the 7 days to save on the cost of constructing makeshift structures. Now, the expo center has a capacity of 1,000 exhibitors in a space that previously only held 19 exhibitors.
The theme for this year's show is promoting climate-smart agriculture and trade initiatives for sustainable economic growth. Basically addressing issues of how the changing, the climatic changes have affected our environment, to the effect that we are not able to produce enough for our economy, since traditionally we depend on rains, which have now failed in several seasons, and we've all seen how that affects the economy.
As you can see, it's a ready-made facility. You don't have to do a lot of construction, a lot of repairs. So we basically are providing a ready platform for the exhibition, which is cost-effective to the exhibitor. In the long run, we anticipate that we are going to have more of this, just to create an easy environment for any person who is planning to exhibit their.
Moving on, Kenyan farmers have been advised to grow drought